The Star Twinkle Precure Group Transformation Finals always screws up. Part 5 final of Precure always screws up. Hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe for more videos. Cut! It's not supposed to be extremely slow. Take 2. Cut! It's not supposed to have an extreme echo voice. Take 3. Cut! It's not supposed to have a bluish filter. Take 4. Cut! This isn't Lolly Rock. Okay, I'm gonna send you to school if you keep on doing this. Take 5. Cut! It's not supposed to have a kid voice. That voice literally made my ears bleed. Take 6. Cut! It's not supposed to have a bad guy voice. That voice looks like he's literally on drugs and smoking cigarettes. Take 7. Cut! It's not supposed to have a greenish filter. I'm gonna take care of you like a baby. Take 8. Cut! It's not supposed to have a man voice. Take 9.
Cut! It's not supposed to have a woman's voice. Alright, this is the final take. Get it right, or I'm going to space. Take 10.
OMG! You actually got it right! I am so proud of you! Let's put it to YouTube.